The recording's on. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to join the KubeEdge community meeting. Today is September the 9th. It's Pacific Friendly Time this week. We have a few items on the agenda. We can first go through that. And if any one of you have any other topics would like to discuss, please feel free to attach to the agenda. Let me post the agenda link to the chat window. Okay, and please everyone on the meeting add them to the attendees section. Thank you very much. Okay, so first of all, let's go through the feature tracking spreadsheet, and also I think this week we had a few more new items. I'm not sure if all of them on the spreadsheet already. If not, we can add it to the following rows. Okay. First of all, the KubeEdge exec to the pods on the node. Any updates? Hey, 听不见。
Hi, this is finished. It's on the review now.
Okay. Is there a new pull request link? I think it's the old one, right? Yeah. Is this the new one? All right, maybe we can check the details later on. So I think we need the approvers and the reviewers. Please add your names to the corresponding columns so we can better keep it check to be accepted as soon as possible. All right, next one. Oh yeah, oh, okay, this is the new one, okay. The KubeEdge get data for troubleshooting. Any updates? Last week, our notes says that it needs some improvements to submit. Let me check if the articles are online. Hey, 清晨在吗？清晨不在吗？ Okay, so maybe we need to skip this one. The authors is not online. And Debian packages for KubeEdge. Any update? I think with this one we have been waiting for quite a long time, right? We didn't find
this is
a good place to host the packages. So what's the current status?
I personally want to post it after PR after another PR merged, since release related PR would improve or build process and will simplify a whole logic.
Okay. Okay, I see the notes is already revised. Okay. Next one, Edge nodes cross subnet communication.
Yeah, we are experimenting several approaches. And to update next week. I think Rio is not here, so we're going to have a final design next week. We have we are experimenting.
So all right, I will just add the Rio's name after you. So am I expecting we have design next week?
Yes.
Okay. Next one, improve the release process.
Yeah, this is on the review.
Okay. All right. List watch from Major Core for applications. So I think last week we had some. We already had the design and also the draft implementation, I think. Yeah, and the last week we said we marked it expecting to have the pull request in the middle of September, so we probably can wait for 1 more week. All right. Next one. The admin reset. So this one we have only one small thing left, right?
喂，
Right? I need to know.
康哥，这个已经做的差不多了，但是我目前我直接卡住了，然后正在解决。
什么？
就是跟 CI 有关的问题没有解决。
Okay, so you probably need still 1 more week. Right. Website upgrade. Okay, website actually I have more information. I can introduce the details later on after the spreadsheet. Well, I will just mark this.
这个没有。
All right. Data pipeline on the edge.
最终是考虑到阿片包里，考虑到阿片包里了之后，然
So
后
what's the topic about? Title.
So this one is actually from the SIG device IoT. They want to support the data pipelines. Okay, it's kind of, for example, software filter to filter the data from the devices and regenerate some data and.
It's kind of a data cleaning and preparing. Is that the kind of stuff?
Yeah, and also initially the discussion was trying to also integrate Creeper another open source project from EMQ as a example implementation.
So what's the plan? Is integrate another project, or we're going to? I mean,
so this one, first of all, we introduced a data field in the device CRD. So, but for 1.4, we actually didn't do anything to that field, I think.
yeah, I think we need more details. You either put here or put the issue, or if we already have issue, I suggest we post the link
Yeah.
here. It's not worth to
need
detail here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we post a link, then we have a proposal, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Do we have some details, a link, a doc, or some issue? Or
I remember there was someone. So there were link. Let me check. There was a initial initial proposal, I think, uploaded to the CILT shared folder. Oh, the network is slow.
下面这次，下面你从今天被登录之后，它退掉了，看到的没听过一过的。这个是好久。对啊，这个是好久之后。
Right. Maybe we still need to check this later on. If no one is working on that, we can post it on.
Yeah, could you post a link here? Maybe I can take a look.
Oh yeah, sure. Or I just send it to the chat window as well.
I think we better put here, right? That's the related information. Okay.
Oh, I lost the connection to the Google Doc.
Okay, I can continue again this. Can you scroll or not?
I can scroll, but I cannot edit, I think. Do you want to share?
Sure. Need
Let me release the sharing.
You need to make me a co-host.
Sure. Okay. Let's go on.
Yeah, now it's a Modbus mapper Go implementation. So it's still under design. Any update, Chen Wei?
So I remember last meeting we come up with the conclusion that we need to separate the repo on this, but we also need to define. Give more details about how to set up the repos, because in the longer term there will be a lot of mapper for the integrating the devices. So we need more details on this. I'm not sure if there's any details already or not.
I think, yeah, we can have, we need more detail about it.
Yeah. Okay, let's move on and we can do the details about the macro report setup. We have an issue already.
So can you post it? So you can edit it right now.
Yes, the connection come back.
Okay.
Okay. So I would also like to ask on the meeting if anyone have any thoughts about this. So maybe we can just go ahead to create the mappers repo. And what about setting up by language? Like we have all the Golang mapper implementation inside one repo?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we better do that. I don't want each mapper is scattered everywhere. Maybe that's a good idea. Okay.
All right, let's move on. I think we got the
Edge mesh optimization. Is Daxiang here? Yeah.
Yeah, this is need more inputs.
Yeah, it's a reviewing options. Should we leave it today here?
This is introduced by last release, but low input. So this remained in this release.
Okay. So
currently for this one, we just have a proposal. I remember we have some implementation pull requests already, right? Yes, I think so. Okay. Oh no, they're just all right. We need to take some time to review the pull request and update the notes here. Okay. And let's move on to the next item.
KubeEdge support install Cloud Core as deployment. I remember there was a owner on this. Now it's gone.
Is this someone from the SEO lab? I think, if I remember correctly.
Run as deployment 这个应该是戴翔在做吧，而且已经有了 PR 了。
对，这个已经提的 PR 了。
Okay.
You can change it, right? It's still implementing, right? Even it's PR.
I think it's under review.
Yeah, this is on the review.
KD admin optimize output loss.
Yeah, this is on the review.
Error check is under review too, right?
Yeah.
Improve test coverage. Like this should be a long-term.
Yeah.
So this one last week, we're actually
Just need
asking for volunteers to take some part of this, but no updates yet.
Yeah, I can take it. I can.
So actually, we can actually create a set of smaller tasks from this umbrella one, and it's actually very.
It's ongoing.
So I think they should be a set of good first issues for the new contributors if anyone would like to join the community development.
Yeah, that should be ongoing. So we already have an issue here. I think we can create sub-issues linked to this.
Yeah.
So we can leave it so far like this. This is long term. This one is adoption user indicate whether Cloud Core to be installed as system service. A document maintaining Cloud Core when installed as system service run Cloud Core.
Hello.
Yep.
I think we need a name for a short name for this task.
这个跟那个徐飞讨论过了啊，现在的话跟这个 run as deployment 在某些代码上都比较相似，但是这个 run as deployment 的话，我觉得优先级应该是更高一点的，所以等这个 run as deployment 新合进去的话，这个再进一步更新吧。代码已经是写好了。
这个里面应该有几个 task， 第一个是 option， 让它可以跑 systemd 或者跑 deployment， 对吧？然后第二个是你要改文档，是吧？其实应该把它拆，应该是3个任务，你还有个 restart， 第二个、第三个，就这里面的第2行、第3行实际上是 document， 对吧？
是的。
这个 clarify 一下吧，你可能 break down 或者是 create a big issue， 然后。
好的。
对，我建议拆一下。So actually, I think we have 2 tasks from this line. One is to add the option when installing Cloud Core. User can either install as deployment or install as system service. Another task is that we still need to update the document to add more instructions on installation for the Cloud Core and also how to maintain Cloud Core.
Okay. Should we go next? Support 2 devices of multiple namespace bind to the same node.
老师们好。就是我在创建设备的时候，然后我创建2个不同 namespace 的设备绑定到同一个节点，然后它就会那个 config map 就会出错，然后那个 config map 既不能新增东西，也不能把它删除，除非重启那个 Cloud Call。然后我看了一下源码，它那个，我看那个 device 和 device model 它在里面都是不能出现重名的。然后这是另一个问题啊。然后我之前提了一个 PR 嘛，就把那个 config map，是存 device 的那个存连接设备信息的那个 config map， 把它们放到同一个 namespace 下面，但是好像KubeEdge 不是很想这么做。然后我想了解一下你们之后想做的想法。
我觉得这个其实是应该是前期设计上的一个，当时没有考虑的很好。这个其实是原来有个遗留问题，要去考虑后面怎么去处理吧。现在看呢，因为我们的 device CRD 其实是有 namespace， 所以这样的话，其实 device mapper 的这个后端的处理其实都应该感知 namespace， 包括这个 device 的在节点上的这些绑定，或者说它跟 mapper 的绑定关系，因为 device 最后会关联到节点上，这个关系是 device 跟节点之间的嘛。节点呢，它是没有 namespace， 但是 mapper 这层其实它至少应该感知 namespace， 就这样的话才处理起来才会。
如果有很多个 namespace 的 config map 的话，这又有一个问题，就是那个 mapper 它要去读很多个 namespace 的，那是K8s 是没实现不了的。所以我觉得放到一个 namespace 下面是不是会比较好？建一个 KubeEdge 那个 device 专用的一个 namespace， 然后把它们只能放在这一个下面。然后 mapper 也放在这个 namespace 下面，都会比较好。不然的话 mapper 一个 mapper 它无法获取多个 namespace 的那个 config， 无法同时挂在多个。不然的话，一个节点它还要同时部署多个协议的 mapper， 我觉得这样也是比较复杂的。
对，就是mapper 按协议部署是没问题，但是其实它没有必要按 namespace 去重复部署，对吧？
对。
是的，这个地方其实我们应该在社区再讨论一下，实际上这个 model 怎么去映射的。
对，然后这个问题我看的时候，然后又有那个 device 和 device model 的问题，他们是不能那个 device 是不能出现同名的嘛？然后这个是不是应该也在那个 KubeEdge 文档里面注释一下？因为一旦同名，它也只能重启 Cloud Call 来解决。
这个可以，因为这是当前的限制嘛，就是我们后面改完之后可以再在后面的文档再去刷新。
对，我现在问题就这些。
All right, so let me rephrase. Actually, the current current device mapper implementation, there are actually some models grew from the device CRD, because for the device CRD, the device model and the device instance APIs, we defined that they are names, they are under namespaces, while the device is connected to the node. It's actually kind of linked scope, because nodes doesn't have namespace. So that comes one modeling conflict, because the API is namespace. Actually, the mappers are not. For the current implementation, we actually need to document the limitation that we could not have devices with the same name bind to the same node, because that will actually conflict from at the node level. Actually, the conflict would happen inside mapper. For longer term, I think we need to refine the design to better resolve this conflict and update document accordingly. Okay. So shall we move on?
Last one. Supporting cloud.
喂，可以听到我讲话吗？
哎，可以。
哦，这个 PR 已经被合进去了，但是有个问题，可能那个 issue 要重新开一下，因为里面那个 issue 里面一共有4个问题嘛，然后还有一个没有解决，可能需要那个徐老师去 reopen 一下。
好的，这个其实你应该自己也能，然后你到时候那个issue号这里贴一下。
我只要那个后面那个 note 里面。
OK。All right. So we have one pull request accepted already, but we still need there were still some tasks not yet finished. We need to keep this issue open. Okay. All right. Shall we move on to the agenda?
The next one, the bottleneck, KubeEdge and hardware.
您好，请问听得到吗？
哎，可以。
您好，开网是这样子，是说我想了解一下，就是是不是因为API server 部署在 master node 上 ，Kubernetes 的节点上，然后结果导致了说，我现在部署了仅只有20个 temperature demo 的 pod 到同一个 Raspberry Pi 上，结果我现在就发现。Raspberry Pi 其实好像并没有达到它的顶峰，也就是说 CPU 没有完全用完 ，memory 也没有用完。可是我的 master node， 也就是 那个 Charlie Latest 这边这个节点呢，主节点就 CPU 跑到了95%，等于说好像就部署不下去了这样子。
你有没有就是做更细致的研究，它到底是什么现象？
请问要怎么做？
一般就是看一下，因为 master node 上它首先就是组件比较多嘛，所以呢你要看一下，其实其实你要看一下这个 CPU 特别高的这个 node 上，这是 master node 对吧？
这是 master node， 然后下面那个 test 是 worker node， 然后在下面那个是 H node 这样子。
OK， 所以 master node 是它有那个嘛，就是有 API server， 有 scheduler， 有 controller manager， 然后还有 KubeEdge 的 cloud core。其实你要看它的这个 CPU 占用是谁高，然后还要再看一下这个日志里面有没有一些什么这个出现 error 啊或者 warning 之类的。
可以请教一下具体要怎么看吗？
具体的话，就首先你可以比如说用那个在节点上用 top 命令去看是哪个进程CPU 高，然后再去
哪个命令？对不起
，top。
可以请您打一下吗？谢谢。
就是 TOP， 就是这个 top。
哦 ，top，OK。那 top 我要再看，我是 top nodes 嘛，然后我是，
不是 kubectl 的命令，就是你在 master 那个节点上，你直接打
在 node 你 login 那个 node， 然后 run top 这个命令，它会 display。Don't run top node, just run top。
好，我开起来了，谢谢。因为这个现象是很特别的，就是说它有时候会很高到95%，然后有时候又很低，只有6%。然后这个现象是只有我在部署了这边20个的这个 temperature 的这个 demo 的时候才会这样子。然后我基本上我1个跟10个的时候，它都可以正常的运作，没有太大的问题。然后现在是只有说，而且很特别的事情是，下面这个 demo 因为我画一条红线，是说，我认为，因为如果在运行1个的时候，它通常用的 CPU 是14%，然后 memory 大概就是4到6之间这个 megabytes。不过如果是在20个的情况下，就会变成说，好像有时候这些会起来，有时候这些会下去，不一定这样子。
我其实不太明白你的 use case 是什么，为什么会部署20个？你这是部署在一个节点上吗？
对，我部署在一个节点上，其实我没有特别的 use case， 我纯粹只是想要测说，就是有点像宫泽之前他们测的那样，就是说，到底能够跑多少 pod 在一个节点上这样子。只是因为我目前我这边的设备就只有2台电脑，上面这个 Charlie Latest 跟 Test 都是电脑。然后 latest 那台电脑是6核心的，但是具体的还要再看一下。我有 po 在 issue 里面在问，然后Raspberry Pi 这边的话就是最新的 Raspberry Pi 4，然后是8GB 那一款的这样子。
OK。因为这个 temperature 这个它要读那个，我不知道就是它多了。自己会不会有 conflict 这种问题？所以这个 CPU core 高，其实我也不太确定是什么原因造成的。就是看起来应该是这个 temperature 这个 mapper 本身它的这个可能出了问题。所以然后但是那个 master 这个 node 上，其实你应该是需要看一下到底是哪个进程。哪个进程它的 CPU 占用高，然后我们可以看，如果它是出现了一些什么故障的话，它应该
我现在 po 一下可以
能够
吗？
直接，可以。
好的，我已经播了。麻烦您看一下下面，往下拉，谢谢。
KubeCTL。
这是 API server 的问题。
Yeah, API server is API purely as etcd is the top. API server is really busy.
这个挺奇怪的，为啥 API server 会这么高？这个可能下来还要再看一下吧。我现在也没有什么 idea， 但是我感觉 API server 这么高，其实挺奇怪的。DTCD 其实也高。
ECC usually is high.
但是我印象中，我们的环境上好像没有，可能没有这么高。这两个可能是什么地方出什么问题？
因为其实我现在，就只有在部署20个的时候才会出现这个问题，那前面的时候都不会，所以我才会觉得说，会不会是 KubeEdge 那边有什么类似流量啊，还是什么的瓶颈，还是什么的？我想了解一下这样子。
如果 KubeEdge 的组件有瓶颈的话，它应该会反映在 KubeEdge 的组件上，这个资源占用高，不会出现在这个 API server 上高。而且在 KubeEdge 的 model 里，实际上主要跟 API server 交互的就是 Cloud Core， 但是你看，其实 Cloud Core 这个它的 usage 也不高。那 Edge Node 上的这些组件，现在我记得都是没有直接跟 API server 交互的，它都是通过 Cloud Core， 所以这个地方看起来有点奇怪。
你这是独立的贴吧集群呢，还是说有 share 的？
我现在这个算是独立的，就是我自己用的电脑这样子。然后我先说一下，我这里面装了但是我这里面装了有Prometheus， 有 Grafana， 然后还有 Kubernetes 的 dashboard， 然后以及就是这个 KubeEdge， 然后还有部署了它的 temperature 的 demo， 然后还有一个就是 metric server， 所以我才可以那个用 kubectl top nodes 那边查到上面那个效能这样子。目前就只部署了这几个应用，没有再部署别的应用了。
你 master node 上有没有你 master node 上可能有其他的组件在那个在狂写 API server， 也有这种可能。但是为啥其他的没出来，没有高的在上面？比如说 metric server， 或者是这个 Prometheus。
为什么要把它装到？对，就是这个东西。为什么要把它装到？
这个要不会后单独看一下吧？
好，谢谢。
没事。All right. So we just spent a few time discussing a detailed issue. The one of the user is missing issue on the PCA environment. Okay. So then we can move on. Oh, actually, before the next topic, I want to give some updates about the community website. Let me share my screen. So last week, I think a few weeks before, I think I shared the overall design of the website. So this is the tentative overall design. And currently, we're working on the details about all the contents. And also, let me share the of our website from functionality-wise. So we're going to move our documented content to the main website repo because it's we're going to support the multi-version for document content, so we can then host different documented content for each release, just in case any part of change, but people still want to change older version documents. No. All right, maybe I can skip the website demo part. You can still check the contents later on by yourself. Another thing I want to share updates is about the content. I actually initially wrote this in Chinese, and I will submit in English after meeting. So basically, we are revising the homepage and also revising the design of each detailed contents. So the on the top, we will have the horizontal navigator. We will have the home, document, blog, events, GitHub, and also the community, and also downloads. And the versions is to switch between different releases, so we can host the different document content that. Another is for initialization, internationalization. We currently have English and also Chinese and Korean content there. And then for the homepage, we will have the banner section and also project brief section, and also the community news section, and also community. So banner section, we will have the background graph, and also it's kind of a header, right? Also a one sentence brief of the project, and the project introduction, project brief section, we want to highlight the key values of KubeEdge. We actually have been talking this very frequently on different conferences and meetups. And the community news section, we will, I think currently the basic idea is to have the link of latest few blogs and also latest community events like meetups or webinars or the conference we are attending. The community section in the homepage, so currently the idea is to display the community partners and the community and the users. Currently, we have the adopters markdown file in our members community repo, and later on, I think it's time to distinguish with partner and end user. They are kind of different. For the footer, it's more like the sitemap and copyright. We also need to clarify KubeEdge current status under CNCF. And I think by the time we finish all the document website update, we think we should already get the public announcement entering incubation. Yeah, by the way, I want to tell that actually KubeEdge got enough vote on support moving from sandbox to incubation. The announcement should be coming out very soon, probably this week or next week. Okay, then for the contents, just some briefs about the document part, blog part, events part, and the joint community, and also partners and the users, or we can just say case studies. So like case studies, we will put the end users logo there, like in a gallery view, and also we can highlight some briefs of the qualified case studies directly in the case study page. And partners, we can just put all the partners logo there. Community part, the community pages, we will just put useful community informations there. So make it able for everybody want to attend, join community, they can find the information there. Yeah, events, we will have the offline meetups or events we're going to attend. And also we can have the webinar listed there. Blog, it's actually, we just follow the very common blog style. We have the article detail page, and we have the article list page. Okay, document, I think it's just moving the content from the document side to the main website. That's a brief about this. Any questions on this or not? All right, I will send out the document in English later on. Okay, shall we move to the next item on the agenda? We're kind of running out of time. Okay, so it's actually there was some discussion in the WeChat group already about the project development progress tracking, and I think it's very important to the community-wide also the public visibility of our status. And for the spreadsheet, I think currently we're tracking a lot of information here, but I'm kind of thinking if this is good enough for us. Another thing is that we can actually use the project dashboard. And I found that it's actually GitHub supports the organization level project dashboard. We can actually sort tasks and also track the progress.
Yeah, I just time check. We only have 4 minutes.
Yeah. So yeah, I just want to kickstart the discussion. We can still continue discussion either in the Slack or on the GitHub issue. I want to get some feedback from the other community members. What do you think about? If the spreadsheet is enough for checking, or we are expecting more. Any ideas about this?
Yeah, sounds good, but it's we revisited this, right? We can start its direction.
Yeah, I think if we plan to move to the project boards, we still need to more details like how to set up the columns for tracking different status and how to define kind of workflow for iteration between the review and update code. We can also use this to track. Like currently we have the different status, right? We can set up the columns in the project board, and also we can automate some labels to the relevant issue and PR. So I think it will automatically add and remove or update the status on the PR. So maybe it should be maybe it can be helpful to the reviewers and also the contributor. I mean the original author. All right, that's all from my side. Anyone has anything to discuss? We are running out of time. Otherwise, I think we can end up the meeting. So, yeah, so the next meeting will be September 16th. It will be Europe friendly time next week. Okay, thank you all for joining the community meeting today. See you until next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.